My video tutorial is about getting rid of the new ransomware called Senanam. My video will demonstrate to you how exactly this ransomware functions. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to do that. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open all your files. But sadly, very soon, this ransomware may inject its malicious roots into your computer. It actually appends this Senanam extension to the file names. As a result, it is impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restorations. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee that your files would be restored if you pay the ransom. So don't waste your money and don't ever pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do immediately is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the program, and then start carefully researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. So click on the start scan button. The software will first of all, most likely update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or other types of infections. So after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner would actually begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. And then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed by Combo Cleaner. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. This way your data would always be under the protection against all other possible malware or ransomware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner to get your data always protected. And speaking about file decryption, Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data. You can find more information about file restoration by going to the link in the description to this video.